How to hide folder in Android without app. First, open My Files. Select the storage here where the folder is located. Now tap and hold on the folder you want to hide. The folder will be marked. At the bottom right corner, tap on three dots. Then tap on rename. Here is the thing. You just need to put a single dot before the folder name. Now tap on OK. You can see the folder become in shadow mode, but is still visible here. To hide this, tap on three dots at the top, then tap on settings. Now turn off the display hidden files toggle here. Go back and see your marked folder is now hidden. And that's it. This is how you can hide folder in Android without app. If this helped you, follow for more quick tips.